Good morning, guys. Good morning. We're outside. It's a beautiful morning. So, yeah, you got y'all's tea, y'all's lemonade, or whatever it is that you drink. I told you guys I was going to stop the coffee, but I meant the cold coffee. That's it. This is warm coffee. So, maybe once or twice a week is okay. But, guys, first of all, be good to yourself and be good to others. Okay? Take a sip. It is so important, y'all, for real, that we get out here in nature. It's so calming. It's so beautiful. He created all of this outdoors for us. If you guys know, I even go outside in the winter and walk. I just bundle up for it and prepare myself for it. But at the same time, we need this for our inner peace. This is what really gets me through hard times. Anything that I'm going through, you know, whether you're a person who struggles with depression, anxiety, please get in tune with nature, because it will really help you. You don't need to fulfill yourself all the time with people. Sometimes you have to get alone in his space, what he created, to have your peace and your sanity, and to hear from him, and just to hear all the, do y'all hear all that? That's beautiful. That's enough to make you really, really grateful. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys for tea time today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed tuning in again. Let's take another sip. Guys, remember to love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. I'll see you on the other side. All right? Guys, while we're out here, I wanted to show y'all a little something. Now, how many weeks has it been since we have did some gardening or we got our bed ready? So the reason why I have this plastic on here, because like I keep telling y'all, it's been raining here a lot, profusely raining, like a whole lot. So I have covered up the bed because it was soaked with water last time. So I'm constantly having to take the bag, pull the water off, you know, drain it some, like so. But I'm gonna show y'all what we got. Do y'all see this? Can y'all see what I see? Here is my, let me show y'all. Let me bring y'all closer so y'all can see. So, here is my bed of Swiss chard, right around here. That's the Swiss chard. Here are my green beans poking through. Do y'all see that? And then right here, y'all, we have cucumber coming up. So like I said, it's been really, really wet. And I just covered it up, and I'm thinking that the bag is doing it well to for it to harvest well. So yeah, wanted to show you guys that, and then I'll show you, let me put this back in here. Then I'll show you the other, let's cover her back up. But guys, remember back in school when we used to use the soda pop bottles and put beans in there and let them sprout? Same thing method kind of for this. You're just gonna cover up your harvest. Now let's go over here. Nothing yet for the peppers or the tomatoes. They're coming. But we're doing good here for the cilantro and the thyme. So yeah. Celery is not doing anything yet, but it will be. But yeah, guys, I wanted to give y'all an update on that. So I'm going to take you guys in the house, and we'll chit-chat and finish up in there. I just wanted to show you guys, tell you guys. So guys, today is the day this is going to go. Taking the pad and the pillow. because she don't want it. So it's gonna go out for trash day. So I'll see you guys inside. Whoo, y'all, I'm back, Y'all, it is a beautiful day. It ended up being a beautiful day. It's still a little cloudy. It might be 75 degrees. I'm a little sweaty because I just got through doing my jump rope, my jumping jacks. I did my 2 miles. I'm incorporating my running again and my speed walking because it's very important to me. So y'all already know what I'm gonna say. If you have not got a chance to get out today to get some exercise, please do it. We need all the fresh air that we can get, y'all. We really do. So yeah, and I'm trying to think what else I can update you guys on. I did put out the lawn chair for the garbage tomorrow, or hopefully somebody will come by and get it. Because like I said, baby girl said she didn't want it because I showed her that it did not rock, so she don't want it. So I put it outside. And what else is going on? I'm headed out to Home Depot again to see if I can, I'm just gonna grab a couple of things. And then, like I said, maybe later on this week or whatever, I'll show you guys how every thing turned out. And I'm not sure this week if I'm gonna be going with friends to the bins to see if I can find me a chair. But like I said, I kept the pillow for that chair and the pillow that has the greenery and the green flower on it. I kept that because even if I can't find a metal chair exactly like those, just say if I find one exactly like those, I will get that one if it's $10. And then if I find one that's like a little bit more wider or something, where the seat will actually like fit directly on the seat, and you can put the other cushion on the back part, I will find something like that. But it has to be in sync with the other chairs. I will do that. Let me see, what else can I tell? Oh, and for someone asked me about my computer. The computer is working fine. I don't know what was wrong with it. All I know is like for the last couple of weeks, I was charging it, and I even put the plug in another outlet in the office area and some other areas in the house, and it still wasn't doing anything, but it's working now. And I think the other question was, how long did I have it? My computer is only, I think, maybe 2 years old or two and a half years old, and I have updated it. And I did update it before when they have the new updates, like the 10 XP or something like that. But I did update it. So yeah, guys. So guys, I will see you guys a little later. I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you a little later. Hey y'all, hours later. Like it's 6:30. I almost forgot about y'all, but today has been a very successful, productive day, and I'm just here to let you guys know, be productive, do something great for yourself, do something great for others, do a lot of great for yourself. But guys, I got so much stuff done here. I got so much stuff done at work. I finished like a couple of projects that I was working on, so I'm grateful for that. But I wanted to show y'all, look at this. Can y'all, I don't know if y'all can see out there. Can y'all see all that trash? There's the chair. There's the chair. So yeah, I did go over baby girls yesterday because I did take her some of that soup. That's what I have warming up on the stove for dinner tonight. So yeah, have that warming up. Gonna have that and probably some toast. But I took her some soup over there yesterday. So I was asking her today, y'all, my face chopped off. But I was asking her, I said, let me know how it tastes, but she haven't got back with me. And I think wait a minute. I asked her to tell me how it tastes. However, what did she tell me? Oh, she forgot to take it. So I don't know what that means, but hopefully she will eat it and let me know what it tastes like. And then too, I think I'm gonna save a little bit. If it's some leftover, I'm gonna save a little bit for a friend and see if she likes it. Cause sometimes we do have like lunch and stuff together. But yeah, guys, I am finally done with the little project I was working on in the backyard, except for the one little the Alberta spruce tree. So I'm gonna show y'all without the Alberta spruce tree, and then from time to time, then you guys, if I'm out there, you guys are looking in the background, then you'll see that that she got the Alberta spruce tree. You'll see. But right now, I'm kind of leery about paying. I'm gonna say they are currently right now like $10. So let me know in the comments your Lowe's or Home Depot. I'm not talking about the big tall ones. I'm talking about the very, very, very little ones. But over time, and I'm trying to remember from when I was younger, like the first house, that we did plant one of those. and it did like grow really, 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 really big, and not like a long period of time. So it's just been a long time. So if I buy the little one, I'm hoping that like for the summertime it gets big really quick. Let me know in the comments, have y'all bought, any people who have on their own homes, have yards, or doing yard projects, if you bought one of the smallest from Home Depot or Lowe's, Alberta spruce, and they're thin ones and they get tall. Have you planted it yet, and has it grown? So yeah, so that's the only thing that I'm thinking about. Are they going to go on sale? Because like I said, that mulch went on sale for $2, and I was buying bags at $3.33. I think $3.33. I think only one time we caught the bags for like $2 or something. So yeah, so guys, I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'm gonna let you guys see how it looks. I'm so super excited. And then too, the other parts that were that needed the other parts that needed just the dirt, that is done. And I think it's a little spot on the side, but we ain't gonna worry about that right now. But guys, are you ready to see how it looks? I'm super excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Look how it came out. So yeah, I did find rocks to put here. So basically where the fence is right here, there are still rocks there. Probably right here on this little ledge here. Let me know if I should keep that there. But I love it, y'all. And what I did was I just went on and kept the stones, y'all. I just kept the stones right there. Let me see if I can zoom in and show y'all. So I was able to pull one from over there in that other area and put it like right there, and it fit right there. So guys, that's how it looks. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the rock garden is done. Isn't that beautiful? So here's our, let me zoom back out. Here's where you would step out into the grass. So when the grass gets mowed, all of this yard space, you would just have to go right here. So hopefully by that, you know, it's gonna get mowed again, even though it got done like not that long ago. We won't have to worry about, this area should be filled in. But guys, that's how it looks. I absolutely love it. Love it, 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 love it. So guys, yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. But guys, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.